Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word knockback in depth. First, the definition. Knockback means to quickly drink a beverage, especially alcohol, or reject something abruptly. Think of it simply as gulping down a drink or pushing something away quickly. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Knockback traces back to the 19th century in American English. Over time, it's been used by drinkers and everyday speakers to describe quickly finishing a drink or refusing something. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use knockback in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She decided to knock back a shot of whiskey before the meeting started. Correct example 2. I usually knock back a cold beer after work to unwind. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to knock back my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using knockback correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Knockback means to quickly drink a beverage or reject something. It comes from 19th century American slang, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with knockback down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.